You like to sit outside in the evening? The bugs are nasty and they eat you up. Why don't you stay tuned and check out this new product that I purchased for my wife because she likes to sit outside. It's a relatively inexpensive, portable, USB chargeable, solar chargeable bug zapper. Let's turn around and see what it is. Here it is, USB and solar chargeable. Let's just open this thing up. If you're interested in this, there'll be a link in the description below. It's relatively cheap. Okay, you get your little instructions and you just, and got your light, your check thing. Let's see what else we got. All right, we got your USB. We got a little brush here to clean out the bug tray at the bottom. Instructions. Let's pull this out. Small, okay? See, where's the buttons? Right there. Buttons are down there. All right. So you got your little zapper button here. You have your light button here. And I think this is a timer. Let me see here. Yes, auto mode. So it comes on at dusk when you hit this button right down here. Okay. Here's your solar panel. So you can charge this up by sun. Here's your USB. You can charge it by USB. There's your little light there, I think, so it could sense. Right? Let me see if that's what that means. Right? Yep, your photoceptor, so it'll come on. Okay. Let's see if it doesn't do anything. Ooh, there we go. Okay, light. You can have all these different colored lights, or you can have just a white light, or just different colors. Hold it to shut off. Okay. Then you have little lights down here that tell you. So if that's on, then you have it set. All right, so 4 little blue lights down here. All right. So here's your little tray at the bottom here. You just twist it, pops, and these pop out, and then all your bugs come out. Then you could just use this to clean it out. See, all your bugs come out, clean it out. All right. There. Now, we'll check back later when it's dark out to see how it works. Okay, it's about 8:45 at night. Got the bug light on. That's what it looks like. It works okay. It gets, the little stuff around the area. I don't know if you can see, but I don't know if you can see anything in there, but there are some bugs in there. It doesn't get the big flies, the horse flies or anything, but it does get the mosquitoes a little bit, just in this general area. Hey, buddy, what are you doing? Think your mama's down there? While we're out, we got a deer. Look at, you going, buddy? Let's turn on the light. See what the lights look like at night. I don't know if you can see it. Different colors. You can't really see it. The camera's not picking it up that good. It's going multicolored. There's the white. yellow, darker yellow, purple, dark purple, blue, going back to multicolor. Well, can't show you the the light that what the light looks like that well with the camera, but anyway, it works for a small area. Anyway, link in the the deers must be up there still playing around up there. Anyway, the link will be in the description below if you're interested in this little bug zapper. Relatively inexpensive. Works good for our little deck area here. We haven't taken it camping yet or anything. But if you're interested, link's in the description. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. And if you're interested in watching some more of my content, check out the next video right here. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.